Archangel Melchizedek, the King of Light and the Cosmic Ambassador. The name Melchizedek means King of Righteousness, or Just King. Archangel Melchizedek is the angel of spiritual evolution and the consciousness of Christ. The name Melchizedek is found in various religious and mystical traditions, including Christianity, Judaism, and esotericism. Though mentioned in different ways, the figure of Melchizedek is always revered as a being of great wisdom and light, history, and tradition. Melchizedek appears in the Bible, in the Old Testament, where he is presented as the King of Salem and priest of the Most High God. He is known for blessing Abraham and for his unique position as a royal priest. In the New Testament, in the Epistle to the Hebrews, Melchizedek is presented as a being of eternal nature, without father or mother, without genealogy, having neither beginning of days nor end of life. Archangel Melchizedek. In certain esoteric circles, and in some modern spiritual traditions, Melchizedek is considered an archangel, or a high-ranking being of light. He is attributed with the guardianship over spiritual wisdom and the evolution of human consciousness. Archangel Melchizedek, according to these perspectives, works at the highest levels of the angelic hierarchy, helping humanity access its divine potential and connect with the source or the universe. It is believed that Melchizedek brings energy of balance, justice, healing, and transformation, and is often associated with spiritual ascension and the activation of the light body. His energy is also considered cosmic in nature, linked to planetary and galactic evolution. The teaching of Melchizedek. As the King of Justice, Melchizedek is often associated with teaching fairness, balance, and righteousness. He helps people find equilibrium between their earthly self and their divine self, living their lives in accordance with universal laws. Furthermore, as a spiritual teacher, Melchizedek is considered a source of wisdom and guidance on the path of spiritual evolution. Those seeking ascension and spiritual development are encouraged to invoke Melchizedek's energy for clarity, enlightenment, and direction. Archangel Melchizedek teaches spiritual truths and assists with esoteric understanding, purification, manifestation, protection against psychic attacks, color therapy, chakra cleansing, crystal healing, feng shui, reiki, aura soma, etc., the release of the spirit, the correction of unpleasant situations, the cleansing of all low or dark energies, and the reorganization of situations to reflect only the highest spiritual laws and energies. As Archangel Melchizedek teaches spiritual truths, you can invoke this archangel to work with you and empower you on all levels. Archangel Melchizedek assists with self-empowerment, spiritual truths, and esoteric understanding, protection against psychic attacks, manifestation and creation, therapies using colors, color healing, chakra cleansing, crystal healing, feng shui, reiki, aura soma, release of the spirit, correction of unpleasant situations, removal of all low and dark energies, invocation to Archangel Melchizedek. In the vast firmament of existence, where cosmic wisdom intertwines with the luminous energies of life, I invite and invoke you, Archangel Melchizedek. Descend into my reality with your sublime presence and the protection of your divine power. Melchizedek, master of light and spiritual guide, thank you for the transmutation of all lower energies. I feel your elevated vibration purifying my being, my surroundings, and all the situations I face. Your light, as bright as 1,000 suns, dispels all shadows and confusion, leaving only purity and clarity. Melchizedek, with your divine intervention, this situation I now face realigns with the highest spiritual laws. Thank you for bringing order to chaos, for infusing wisdom where there is ignorance, and for emanating love where there is fear. The wisdom, power, and divine order that you embody now permeate every aspect of my life. Guided by your light, My actions become deliberate, my thoughts are purified, and my words resonate with truth. I find refuge in your protection and security in your presence. I am safe and protected in every way, sheltered in the embrace of your light. With gratitude and love, I honor your assistance, Melchizedek. May your light continue guiding me on my path to spiritual fulfillment. Amen. If this content resonated with you, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave your comments, and share. Together we can learn and expand our knowledge on this spiritual journey, allowing us to achieve the life we truly deserve. Thank you, thank you, thank you.